What is AMG One again? In case you forgot, it's been a while. The One AMG, unveiled as a concept in 2017 by Hamilton and then Mayer CEO Dieter Zetsche, was built around a modified version of the F1 hybrid powertrain that conquered everything. This includes an electric turbo, a hybrid-powered 1.6-liter V6 combustion engine, and at least 3 electric motors driving all 4 wheels. Rear-wheel drive F1 cars only use one. The headline numbers were big, but still, over 990 horsepower from just 1.6 liters, 26 miles of electric range, 0 to 200 kilometers per hour in 6.0 seconds, and a top speed of 350 kilometers per hour. Before the pandemic hit and the move to Aston Martin, AMG CEO and technical director Tobias Moers spoke to CAR about the enormous challenges of training these uncompromising engines to a street-legal discipline. The rules were tighter than we expected, says Moers. Putting an F1 engine on the road is not easy. Get free speed. For an F1 car it is 6,000 RPM. For a legal car, the speed should be 1,000 RPM, maybe 1,200 RPM. And while the combustion of F1 engines is good at high revs and under load, it is not so good at low revs, which are the conditions they typically drive in during emission test cycles. It took a lot of effort to get things where they needed to be. Finally, the Mercedes-AMG One performance data is just a small glimpse of the technology packed into this car. A relatively small, highly efficient combustion engine combines with 4 electric motors to produce 1,063 horsepower. In addition to the driving power of Formula One, there was the monumental task of after-treating all the exhaust gases, said Johan Hermann, technical director at Mercedes-AMG. This project has been part curse and part blessing. But I've been on a rocky road, and as a technician you care about every detail. From the materials used in the unique chassis components to the aerodynamic enhancements, the Mercedes-AMG One is unmatched for refinement. In a Formula One car, a team of engineers with laptops checks the activation of the unit. Our hypercars are just a click away. It also shows a lot of knowledge about the software that goes into this car, he added. Does this car really have an F1 hybrid engine? At least something very close to something. The engine side of the equation is a 1.6-liter monoturbo V6, closely related to Lewis F1 car and developed at Mercedes F1 power plant in Brixworth. 11,000 RPM is lower than an F1 engine due to the low-octane pump fuel, but still very good for a road car engine. It has 603 horsepower. From 1.6. Unlike F1 cars, hypercars have all-wheel drive and use torque vectoring to help direct all of the power in the driver's chosen direction. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.